Hey Hardwood fans, Brad Appleton here with Nick Hurst. Nick, you saw Division II action tonight in the sectional semifinals when the 8th-seeded Athens Bulldogs took on the 9th-seeded New Lexington Panthers. Athens handled them 59-53, and the Bulldogs were off to a slow start, but they really got it going in the second half. How were they able to do that?
Well, they were able to get the shots to fall. In that first half, they just weren't getting it done. They were out of sync. They weren't disciplined. But in the second half, Dean Maffin, the senior, had 26 points. And as we talked about that slow start, just 18 points in the second half. The third quarter, they had 21, and in the fourth, they had 20, and they were just getting the shots to fall.
So obviously a big win for the Bulldogs tonight. Ultimately, what impressed you about the team?
Well, their ability to recover. We talked about that slow start, and that sometimes has been a problem for Athens. If they get themselves taken out early in the game, if they're not finding the shots, that will be how they dictate the rest of the game. But tonight, they were able to recover.
And looking ahead, the Bulldogs will take on the first-seeded Warren Warriors next. What do the Bulldogs need to do in order to pull off that upset?
Well, definitely play like they did tonight, but also they've seen them before. They lost 56-30 in the second game of the season. And Coach Stinner, he told me after the game he's not going to be surprised by anything they will throw at him.
There's no secret to Warren Local. I mean, I know exactly what they're going to do, and it's not like we got to study film or anything like that. We know exactly what Warren's going to do. They've got two of the best players in Southeast Ohio. You know, if they have a kind of team, if 6 guys are off, Austin Cunningham can beat you all by himself. But you know what? We won one more game. We got a chance to come out and redeem ourselves with our effort and our courage a little bit more than what we did last time around.
All right, so good luck to the Bulldogs going forward, and don't forget to check our website throughout the week for more boys playoff action, and don't forget to tune in to WOUB2 Sunday night at 6:30 for Hardwood Heroes.